We have trader Joe Tegay on board with us today. Hello to you, Joe. And what do you think is most important to the market right now? That jobs report coming out at the end of the week, or those comments coming from Treasury Secretary Yellen talking about a rate hike?
Yeah, I think I'll be very keyed in on the jobs report coming in on Friday. And of course, the rate hike is going to be tied into all of that. Now, earlier in the week on Tuesday, we had some speak out of Yellen and some Fed speak out of Powell. And for a moment, we had some inflation concerns, Yellen kind of walking that back. But keep in mind, 2020 and the first quarter of 2021 were really good quarters and years for the market because the next year, 2021 and 2022, the start of it, there was expected to be low rates. Now, if we start expecting rates to rise in 2023, maybe that's when we'll see the market start to pull back or have some trouble. So the market's always 18 months forward looking. So even if we're talking about 18 months from now, rates rising, the market might be pricing that in right now as we speak. So that's what really the trouble that we're going through. I know this is going to be a fantastic quarter for growth in the economy, but whether or not that means fantastic quarter for growth in the equity world, that's a different story.
What's out there that you think will trouble the stock market the most?
Yeah, just that talk of inflation coming in, meaning that rates have to come in. And remember, rates are historically low, and a small increase in rates is a big increase percentage-wise in terms of yield. So that's really what we have to worry about with these equities. They are very highly priced. We're expecting low rates. And if they have to refinance their debt a little bit higher, that'll be a big headwind to them going forward.
Thank you, Joe. We appreciate your Trader Talk.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.